Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can mention someone in Microsoft Teams community posts. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to mention someone in Microsoft Teams post or community or announcement, just head over to communities here and you'll have an option either to make a post or an announcement. So I'll wish to make a post, so I'll just tap on post here and this will open a post. So I'll write a title, maybe live chat like that, and then write the message. Now I want to mention this person here. To mention any person, just press shift and 2 or to insert add, and this will highlight members of this community. Currently I can either choose a particular member or everyone. If I want to everyone, I can just choose this and it will write everyone. For my case, I want to only mention this person, so I'll just select the name and you can see it has been highlighted, and now proceed with the message like that. And once you are done, now you can send the post and this person will be notified they have been mentioned and therefore the message concerns them. So that's how you can mention someone in Microsoft community post or announcement. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.